And today I'm gonna fly Rooster first time after tuning. I'm not happy about the tuning a lot, but it's already something that I feel comfortable with. And we went to the palm, another palm, Jebel Ali palm, but this palm is under construction still. I think the construction just frozen for a while, and there is a security and restricted access, and we almost gave up, but we found like abandoned hotel and there is nobody here. We spot like one guy, one car here, and we're gonna ask, is it possible to shoot here, and if everything is gonna be fine, we're gonna rip this spot. Well guys, security told us that there is no problem to shoot outside and fly also. I showed my drone and he's saying like there is no people here at all and it's not a problem. So we're gonna rock. So the conclusion about the Rooster frame, that it's rock solid, but the hardware isn't so perfect. I broke the antenna mounts bolts, and I don't know where, but VTX mount bolts also gone somewhere. Maybe it was my fault, maybe it was the bolt fault, I don't know. But overall it's really fine, and I love this frame a lot. Of course I need to have more time to get used to this frame, but I think I'm already quite confident, and the footage talking about itself. So for today, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe and see you next time. Bye.